Hello everyone, welcome back for another practice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out together. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Don't forget, it's always inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Okay, let's work mobility, functional mobility. First, knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Left arm slides towards the right side. Your left shoulder, scapula reach the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Open up with your right arm. Then we twist. Take a deep breath. Switch. Right arm towards the side. Exhale. Twist. Back. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Toes on the ground. From here, we're going to start rotating our scapula towards the back side. So we are pushing up, relaxing, then driving our scapula down, and pushing up and relaxing. Here we go. 10, and then we switch side. 3, 4, 5, 6, move slow. 7, 8, 9, 10, push, and then reverse side, same thing, and forward. 2, 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Take a deep breath, straight into down dog. Exhale. Hold down dog for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, we're gonna go into plank position with the right knee drives towards the left elbow, and then we're gonna back down dog, right leg up, and same. Right knee towards the left elbow, and down dog with one leg straight up. Here we go. 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right leg on the ground. Take a deep breath. We're gonna hold 5 seconds. Exhale. Same thing. We're gonna switch side. Left knee towards the right elbow, left leg straight up. Same thing, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left leg reach the ground. Just hold down dog. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Left leg back straight. Lock your core low back. We're gonna work from our right hip only. Squeeze your glutes and drive your right side up. You should have that range of motion in your hip, and just bring it back. Grow and down. Here we go. 12 and up from the right leg. 2, 3, 4. Squeeze your butt. 5, 6, 7, 8. All the tension going from your right leg. 9, 10. 2 more. 11. 1 more. 12. And back. Take a deep breath. Right leg backward. Rotate your core. Engage your core low back. Now you need to focus on the left side. Squeeze up and build your lower body. And 2, 3. Nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 1 more, 12, and release. Take a deep breath. We're gonna exhale. 1 more deep breath. Exhale. Here we go, side plank, right elbow on the ground. Left leg in front, right leg back. Squeeze, push your butt up. Elevate your left foot off the ground. We're gonna hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs together. We wanna relax our butt and squeeze up. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, push from the lower back, 12. We're gonna switch, push your hips up, elevate your right foot, hold 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, legs together, here we go, 12, 1, 2, 3, nice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, hold, back on 2 elbows, plank position, we're gonna hold 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Take a deep breath, exhale, 1 more deep breath, exhale. Again, plank position, keep holding plank position, 5 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we start doing shoulder taps, 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Take a deep breath. Exhale, left leg in front, right leg on the ground. Rotate your pelvis, engage your core lower back. Drive your hips forward. Take a deep breath and arch up. Hold 3, 2, 1. You open your arms towards the side, lock your arms behind. Take a deep breath again, bring your pelvis backward. Exhale and push your chest and pelvis forward. Hold 3, 2, 1, and back. Switch forward, lock your core and push. Arms up. Hold 3, 2, 1. Open your leg, arms towards the side and bring your pelvis back. Take a deep breath. Exhale and push forward. Lock your arms behind. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Okay, we continue. Lie down on your chest. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Arms in front of you. You're gonna elevate your left leg fully straight up. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna open it towards the side. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, close towards the center. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, open. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch. Right leg up. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Towards the side. Continue holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back. Push high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Towards the side. Push high. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and close. Take a deep breath. Exhale. From here, we're gonna elevate all our body off the ground. Elevate and back. Elevate and back. 20. Take a deep breath. Let's work up. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, go ahead, 1, push, 2, 3, nice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly up. We are adding some core. Lie down on your back. Rotate your pelvis, elevate your butt off the ground. Hold 5 seconds. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flat back, legs together, arms up. We're gonna drive 2 legs forward, arms back, and back. 12, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't forget, keep your lower back always flat. Legs on the ground, push your butt up. Hold 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, right knee goes towards the chin, left leg fully straight. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you bend your left foot, your right heel goes on your left knee. Exhale, push your right knee out. Amazing. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we switch. First knee towards the chin, right knee, right leg forward. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg on the ground and push. 3, 2, 1, and back up. Awesome, my friends. Well done. Quick, efficient, as always on my channel. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Good luck. Thank you for being with me. Bye-bye.